Hello, for today I'm gonna show how to install and use XAMPP or XAMPP for a beginner. Okay, first of all, XAMPP is easy to be download. We just open our browser and we can type Apache Friends or APACHE Friends. And then the first one, the XAMPP installer and download. We choose that one. Here it shows the details, a bit info about XAMPP. XAMPP is complete free, easy to install. And XAMPP suitable for Windows, Linux and OS. XAMPP is easy to be download because it's free and it's easy to be set up for PHP development. So we choose Windows. Here we can read a bit about XAMPP. Okay, we can wait for the XAMPP to be download. After that, we open the download folder. While we wait for the XAMPP to be open, I'm going to tell a bit about XAMPP. XAMPP is AMP stack, stand for cross-platform Apache, MySQL, PHP, Perl, with some additional administrative structure tools such as PHP admin. Okay, here XAMPP setup is open. So hit F back button, next button, and cancel. We can click next button. During this installation process, we select all the requirement like the ambition, MySQL, FileZilla. We choose all, or we just leave the default option and click next button. And then it's gonna show to which folder we want to set up our XAMPP. It's better to set up in our system, and then we choose English language. Then we select next button. And then we need to wait for a few minutes for the XAMPP to be installed. It's gonna be a bit long, about 10 minutes or 15 minutes. After it has been installed, we can click the finish button, and then the XAMPP panel gonna open. Here it show a few buttons start for Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat. We can choose what we want to use. For me, I always use Apache and MySQL. So if you're gonna use that, just push the start button. And so next, I'm gonna show a bit how I use XAMPP for localhost. I use localhost for my project. So we open the browser, and first, I have already set up my folder in HTTP docs file. It's in the XAMPP folder. We need to put all the file in HTDOCS folder. If not, we cannot run our localhost in the browser. After we set up the folder, then we start up the XAMPP. Click MySQL and Apache, and then we can open our browser and we type localhost. and choose what folder that I save in the htdoc file. So here I choose pendaftaran, and here is some of my project. This is my project. So as you can see, XAMPP can open up my project that I have been doing. Okay, thank you. That's all.